So welcome back to Latra Dairy Farms Ireland, and today I'm going to take you on a farm tour. So over there, over there is all fields that we own, but not on the hill. We don't own them. We just own like that and that, and then another field back there, and then go here, and then over there is our land, and then there's a cow road going up to another field. I'll show you that after. And here, that field there, we're going to reseed it this summer because we didn't get time last summer. So this summer it's going to be reseeded, hopefully, if the weather is good. So I'll take you to the next field. I'll take you around and then I'll show you the sheds. This is all on a field, and then over there, and then I'll go show you over there. I think you're probably getting bored by now because all here was newly reseeded this summer, and there all the cows will be going here after milking, and then this road goes all the way down to there, and back down to where I showed you before, and we'll go down there now. Okay. So we got to the other other field. This is a field, same thing from there, and then this is a field. Here, so So this field here used to be an old sandpit. We always called it the old sandpit, and it still is called the old sandpit. But we made this into a paddock because it was in no use. And if you're wondering why there's all like concrete there, because in the summer last year we were like knocking down a wall in the shed, and we just dumped it there because we had no other place. But it will come in useful some other time, hopefully. And yeah, this is the field I was talking to you about down there, so I'll show you the road down there. this is where we were over there. I'll just zoom in. Yeah, there we were just over. We were just over there. So this whole land was all this. Oh wait, I'll just zoom out. Sorry. So this land all here was reseeded last summer, and same as the land over there. I'll show you back up there. So yes, that's nearly all. Yeah, that's most of the fields. There's one more big field I'll go show you, and then the sheds. So down there is all our land, and up there. So I was just gonna show you that because so here's the last field. No, here's the two last fields I'm going to show you. And if this is a road that's going to another farm because we're in a partnership, I'll tell you that story later in the video. So, and now it's onto the sheds. This is our silage pit, and this shed, that shed there, and that shed there, and that shed there used to be for lambing. This is the story I was going to tell you. So we were going to use it. We were sheep farmers and beef farmers, and then my dad decided to go into dairy. So our neighbour went into partnership with us, and then that's why our land looks so new, because we had to reseed it all. And yeah, so that's why the weighing lambs video, we were just getting rid of our last sheep. So I'm still not finished doing my tour. I'll go over there and show you this shed, these two sheds, and that shed. That shed's used for a calf house. And then these two have peat moss. Peat moss is like soil, but like crushed. And then the dry cows, the cows that are going to calve. I'll go up here. The cows that are going to calve are up here. See, there's the calves, and that's a slat shed. And they go in there for silage. And this is peat moss, and these are the cows that are going to calve, and it goes into that shed in there. So I'll go down to the other shed. So this is the round roof shed. We call this round roof shed because it has a round roof. We used this for anything and everything, really. And here are our new animals on our farm. These are pigs. These are my brother's pigs. So that one's Cookie, there, the black one, and then this one's Brownie, the small one, there, and they're really cute, and they live here. Yeah, and so I'll take you to the other shed. So this shed, as you all know, is the calf shed, but this shed used to be used for hay and machinery. And yeah, the calf shed is done. We put in water and some pens up there, so that's a quick update on that. So over to the next shed. So in this shed, we call the big shed because it's the biggest shed in the farm, and it's that shed we keep the heifers. We used to keep beef cattle in there, but now we keep heifers in here for the winter. So over to the next shed. I forgot, we have more fields. This field here is called bull paddock because my granny and her sister and her mum and dad used to have Hereford bulls, and they used to show them, and the bulls usually lived in this pen, so that's why they called it the bull paddock. So this is the machinery shed, or the fixing shed, because we usually fix stuff in here. So yeah, and here is our heifers that are going to calve and our cows that are going to calve, and then I'll show you into that shed. So there's two sides. So in that shed we used to weigh our lambs, but then we changed it into peat moss again. So now that's peat moss for the cows again, and this is the old shed. The old slatted shed, we call it, because it's old and slatted. So yeah. So thank you for watching. Remember to like and subscribe, and bye.